Welcome to episode 2 of my Soft Heart Hardware series. In today's video, we are going to be recreating the beautiful and talented Miss Ashanti for Valentine's Day soft glam look that you guys made go viral. And I said, you know what? We're going to make a full-length video. The first one we did the face paint, but this time I feel like we should do a celebrity. And Valentine's Day is right around the corner. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. You guys know, first things first, we're going to start off with our brows. I am using my eyebrow gel tint in the color Espresso. So the first things first, I am going to use my Nicka K Cocoa pencil. It is an auto twist, and I love to use the spoolie at the end to brush up my brows. So that's what I like to do first. And sometimes I usually draw on my brows a little bit to like fill it in to see where I want. If I made a mistake cutting too much like I usually do, and I fill it in, baby. Okay, why I don't have a Valentine's. Is this my first time that I have a Valentine's? Of course not. It never has been. I always been a loner on Valentine's Day. But the most important thing why I don't have a Valentine's Day is because guys are jerks, okay? A lot of guys don't know how to have a proper communication skills, and guys just very, how can I say it, selfish, in other words. I never met a guy that really wanted to get to know me or wanted to do something nice for me. It's like they always look through like a lustful way to get to me. And that's why I never had a Valentine's Day. But am I upset about it? No, I'm not. I'm going to use my concealer. And this is Golden by NYX. Can't Stop, Won't Stop. I don't feel any kind of way about me not having a Valentine's Day at all because, like I said, I have always been by myself. And I feel like that is played out, in my honest opinion. And a lot of people always used to say, oh, she just don't have Valentine's Day. That's why she said that. You know, she's not trying to go out. I have went out so many times. I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses Skin Filter, number 7. And it don't work out for me. It really don't. It's just like a lot of guys just stare at you or they just feel intimidated by you. And I'm like, am I in elementary or middle school? Like, why do guys do that? It don't feel that way. I'm just like, I just feel too that why I don't have a Valentine's Day is because I feel like I am more. And no, I'm not saying I'm more than what I am, but it's that guys don't know how to really respond to me. And I feel like it's guys' protection that I deserve more and, to be more in life. I'm not just a one-night stand. I'm not an easy girl because I speak softly or because, I'm just being kind or people say nice. Talking, I mean, I talk to anybody, but you can't have that attitude of trying to get your way with somebody. Honestly, you cannot. My Nicka K matte, just in a dark brown. And the reasons why that I feel like the Valentine's Day is overrated because a lot of guys do not know how to treat a lady because it's like you have to teach these boys. I'm not going to say men because they don't know how to be men, but boys how to like treat a woman, like taking her out, not being cheap. Just because she look good or you think she's young or she's nice, she's naive, she's going to get you some. And that kind of like started making me feel a certain type of way. Like that's what people think Valentine is about. And also posting on social media. Oh, I got a teddy bear. He gave me flowers and blase and chocolate. And I just feel like, I can do that myself. I don't need no man to show me what Valentine means to me. I know what Valentine means to myself. I love myself. That's the most important. And that's why I don't have a Valentine's because, a lot of guys they don't know how to treat a woman, especially a woman that is very elegant, keeps to herself. She's really not asking for much. And all she's just asking for your time and attention. And guys can't do that. And they don't want to be in a stable relationship or they don't want to commit at the time. They want to be players. They want to be in the field. Buy me gold eyeshadow palette. We're going to use this gold. So it's just like, I'm going to be my own Valentine's. And I don't want nobody feeling sorry for me because when I go buy myself Valentine's and people are looking at me like, what are you getting that for? And this and that. I said, for myself, for my mom and my grandmother. My mom and my grandmother have taught me, like, never depend on a man and don't chase a man. It is not me being ignorant or coming out ignorant because y'all be like, no, it's just that when you be at a certain age and you just love yourself completely, because nobody don't know how to feel that old of really appreciating you. So it's mostly just a time to appreciate yourself. Like, don't give people, don't put your eggs in one basket. Don't give people like all your energy. And it's not about you being sad or mad. It's not. It's just about you living your life, loving you, continue on being you, continue on having a kind and great spirit. And that's where it comes from, just loving you. My absolute Blackout eyeliner. So that's all that matters, really. We'll use our orange corrector. So, you just get tired of people trying to dog you out, saying, hey, you don't have a Valentine's Day. I feel sorry for you. Don't feel sorry for me because you can play the victim or the good person role. It's okay. It's okay. Like, it's not a big deal. And I'm not upset. Like, I feel like me not having Valentine's Day is just me, like, being happy of where I am at in life and just saying, hey, like, I'm here. I'm loving myself and I'm putting the effort of being me. And that's all you can do. Valentine's Day doesn't mean buying expensive gifts, getting, luxury, getting chocolate and this and that so you all can post it on social media. Everybody act like they're, want to be rich. And it really doesn't supposed to be that. Valentine's Day, well, a lot of people say they don't really celebrate it because I know why too. But I'm keeping this clean and, age appropriate. But I just feel like Valentine's Day is just a day. You should be really recognize what you do every day. It don't have to come from somebody you want to be with, but you're not with. It just comes from people who love you. And I feel like that's family. And that's like every day. And that's why I said that, my mom and my grandmother, they have always been my Valentine's Day. A lot of people used to rub it in my face and say, oh, she don't have a Valentine's Day, blah, blah, blah. No, I don't. Am I upset about it? No, I'm not. I used to look, be a little sad, but it's just like over time, it's like I love myself more. And, I'm not going to be putting up with, unnecessary behavior or the disrespect. So it's just like, I love myself using dark brown underneath. And I do. I love myself to the fullest. I like, it's not like I haven't tried to go out on dates and guys just disappear around that time. And it's so funny because a lot of guys do that. They disappear around Valentine's Day. They don't want to be in the cuffing season. They want to be when it's cold, they want to cuddle up or whatever. But when Valentine's come around, like I have talked to so many guys, they pretend that they like me or whatever the case may be, and I just laugh. And then when that come around, that holiday, they disappear because guys are cheap and they just want a quick meal ticket. And I'm not a meal ticket, Like I said, I am more than that. And I just feel like since they feel like I'm, nice, that I'm easy to get with because people say, oh, she's pretty. And, a lot of people trying to figure out why she don't have, this type of person, why she's not dating. It's because I'm not settling and I'm not dealing with the BS, Valentine's Day is just a regular day in my honest opinion. That is my honest approval because it's just a regular day that you're just getting flowers, chocolates, a teddy bear, or some luxury items, that's really just celebrated every day. And I just feel like too, and a lot of, females that are very bitter, hateful, like to rub it in, and guys who are, bitter, haters, and just don't have their life together, want to rub it in too. Oh, that's why you ain't gonna be with nobody because you ain't trying to do this. No, I'm not trying to let nobody hit and then they go about their business and y'all disappear. I'm good. Y'all don't want a stable relationship. I'm not trying to rush anything, but Valentine's Day is just a regular day for me and I just spend money on myself. I don't want nobody feeling sorry for me. Oh, I'm sorry you don't have a Valentine's Day. Because people try to be funny and then they be like, well, you can get with this guy and, they don't be attractive. And then, then they be like, oh, you must be such and such. No, I'm not gay. I don't see that. Like, I never been so hard up for a person. Now, I used to question myself, like, why I don't have, men in my life, that really care about me or pretend that they do. And they don't. They just disappear when it's convenient for them. So that's why I don't really give, a guy any time of the day, because my time cannot be wasted. I don't have time to babysit anybody. And I don't have time for games. But my Valentine's Day is just really just being with myself. I love myself. I take good care of myself. I'm not out here, out there like that. And I love myself to the T. You can never let anyone discourage you from loving yourself. Never let anyone make you feel bad that you don't have, they say, a Valentine's Day. That's not nothing. Please don't let a man be your priority. You make yourself a priority by leveling up, level up. Okay. I'm just say that, level up, and love yourself. So never ever let people make you question who you are or why you're not with someone. And don't let Valentine's Day be something that is materialistic that you can't take with you. Honestly, it's just, I'm not materialistic. I don't be all into that Louis Vuitton. And, I might show like my little card and teddy bears. Thing that I feel or I just like the most, it would be, just a card shows like appreciation and it holds more memory than anything. You can just use, no, I'm not like that. But my time is valuable and my energy is valuable. So I'm not just accepting any and anything from, guys, because they just want something in return and they're not going to have it. If you can't have a decent conversation with me, and you can't take me out, like, don't waste my time. I won't waste yours. Oops, sorry. I forgot, you guys. I did not put no concealer underneath my eye. I'm just going straight into it. But love yourself on Valentine's Day, and I promise you it's worth it. I never really had it. I don't understand the point of it. I really don't. And does it make me sad once again? No, it does not. Because I buy my stuff for myself every day. A simple Valentine's Day card is very simple for me. And that's all I ever wanted. Nothing more, nothing less. And that's all I want. I just want something very simple, symbolic, and something that I can cherish the rest of my life. And then, it'd be so pretty. I'm a girly girl with cards. Like, I could be in the store all day and just pick out cards. Like, I'm a girly girl. I'm that type of girl. Like, I can pick out cards, like, for friendships and, like, anything. So we did that. We're going to do the mascara, okay, because we used that L'Oreal Telescopic. This is a good one, $16, but it's worth it. I know it's a little expensive, but it makes my lashes longer. Now we're going to do Ashanti Lip Combo. These are the three we're using. And the lip liner in cocoa. But yes, it's always important that you mean business and you have boundaries. Never ever let people pick upon who you are, and you celebrate you every day. And that's the most important. That is the most important journey that I have learned. That is a part of my transformation. This is why I don't have Valentine's Day, because I love myself more than just being treated for a one-time special occasion that guys don't fulfill, and they just see me as something that is a tool, and they don't contact me on those days. And you think they'll text? No. So I never in my life had a guy take me out on Valentine's Day. But it just be funny that they try to reach out before then they disappear. But Valentine's Day is always really about you, your self-love, your self-respect, your self-nature of loving you. Not with gifts, and you can post on social media, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Oh, my man bought me a Louis Vuitton bag, got me a Birkin bag. It's not all about that. I promise y'all. That's just materialistic things. Now, the hair, babies. So never ever feel like you need somebody for a special day, for a one-time day. You are that day. You have made it far. You made yourself be known of who you are, your journey, your love, your kindness. And I learned that my family, my mother, they are my loves, and those always be my Valentine's Day. I don't require nothing else, nothing more. And I just feel loved. And that's all that's important. And the thought that counts. So it's not always about trying to be with somebody, but it's about being with you once again. Loving you for who you are. You're transforming into someone each and every day. You're growing, you're learning. And with me, I learned to just really love who I do have insecurities, of myself, of just not really loving me. Sometimes I don't feel like I'm attractive enough. But, to each his own, everybody have their own preferences. It's okay. So it's just like, love you, be you. And that's what I learned when in my 20s when I used to feel that way. And I don't anymore. I love myself. I mind my business and I do for me. So that's the most important about Valentine's Day and why I don't have Valentine's Day. And it doesn't make me feel less or it don't make me feel not loved because I do love myself. And that's the most important and lesson in my life is to never feel undervalued. You're supposed to feel valued all the time. And don't even feel pressured by people if they don't see you for who you are, that you're a loner. People are gonna make guesses all the time about who they think you are, who you're with, and thinking that you're something else. It's okay. Let people talk because that's what they're gonna do. And that's all they can do. So love you for you and stop going off for the materialistic things in life that you cannot take with you when you leave this earth. So the only thing you can take with you are the lessons, the love, the joy, mistakes, but most important, your transformation. I have a soft heart and we live in a hard world. And that's the thing about the lessons of life is teaching you that everything is not what it seems to be, but you make it what it seems to be by doing what's best for you, making things right for you, enjoying yourself, understanding yourself, transforming yourself to your best ability, and never let anyone underestimate you because you got it. Series, I hope you guys did enjoy my impact of telling my story. And I will see you guys later. Until next time, ciao.